And then, in terms of promotions for the event, we've had our most success with a tiered approach, where we look at kind of a lower initial offer that's just slightly above our average order value. One thing about all these promotional levels too is, Faire offers matching up to 5%. That's amazing. Make sure you're offering at least that 5%, so you're taking full advantage of Faire matching your offer. Having a 10% initial discount is huge. And we've usually done that lower tier just above our average order value. That way, it's not too big of a barrier entry to smaller shops place an order or new customers to test out your brand. But it is still kind of helping you pump up your average order value a little bit. And we've had a mid-tier offer that's slightly higher. Typically, it's been about 50% higher than our average order value, just to try to entice some of your larger customers to place a larger order during the event. It's a great way to kind of get some larger volume orders. And then we've had a third tier. It's sort of an aspirational tier almost, where we have a huge discount at a higher level. You're typically not going to get a ton of orders there. It's usually just a handful of orders, but it's a great way to really goose your average order value for those customers that can place those larger orders. Assuming it makes sense from a margin perspective for you. But taking this approach has led us to have about a 50% higher average order value during market than we do outside of market. So it's really worked well in not only capturing a large volume of orders, but also capturing a large volume of orders that are a little higher than